Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the phone supports adoptable storage. Many manufacturers disable it. Once the card is inserted, make sure you back up photos and documents because the next step erases data. In Settings, open Storage and tap the SD card name to begin. Choose the menu or the three dots, then select Format as internal or Adopt as internal. You're initiating a one-way conversion that encrypts the card to this device, so proceed only after your backup is complete. Once formatted as internal, the system encrypts the card to your phone. This is why it must stay in the same device. Now go to Settings, then Apps, pick an app, and use Storage Change to move it to the new internal storage. Repeat for large apps and their data. Prioritize games and offline media. Make sure the phone remains charged and connected to stable power during the move. If an app cannot move, it simply isn't supported by adoptable storage. Keep it on internal memory. After moving apps, verify the storage numbers in Settings and restart the phone to settle the system. If the card becomes unreadable, first try reinserting and cleaning contacts. If that fails, recover your backup on a PC and reformat the card as portable. Make sure to move apps back to internal before reformatting, because formatting as portable erases the encrypted data. Finally, if performance slows, use a faster UHS or Class 10 card next time. Speed of
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.